Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this Victorian outfit in dress to impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit. First of all guys, for the hairstyle, you can choose this here and then you're going to color it with black color for all these selections and then combine it with this hairstyles and then you're going to make it black color as well. And then you're going to put on this hat and color it like this. And then you're going to put on this earring, make it like this. And then this hat, you're going to make it this color. And then this heels, make it black. And this gloves, you're going to make it this color. Then you're going to put on this corset. And for this corset, I'm going to make it black for the first selection. And for the second selection as well. And for the third selection, I'm going to make it also black. And for the lace, okay, done. And then I'm going to put on this corset, this one. And then we're going to make it black for the first selection. But for the second selection, make it red. And then I'm going to change the toggle to 1. Okay, done. And then I'm going to select this top, this one, and then we're going to make it black, okay? And put on this corset, we're going to make it black for all the selection, okay? And then let's move to the masculine section. Put on this suit, and then you're going to select toggle 2, and then for the second selection, you're going to make it black, okay, done. And I'm going to go to the dressing room. From this dressing room, we're going to go to the curves item and then select this Sabrina Carpenter dress. And you're going to apply this pattern, okay? And go to this menu, select this skirt. Then I'm going to apply this pattern. For the last selection, I'm going to make it black, okay? Then we're going to go back to the curves item and you're going to put on this bag. For the first selection, make it white. And for the second selection, make it white. And then for the third selection, make it black. For the third selection, make it white. And the last selection, make it black. And done guys, this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!